Sorry, this is Jacob.
Hi Jacob, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good. I need to go to Batehaven, please.
Sorry?
I need to go to Batehaven. I need to go to Batehaven.
Yes, at what time?
From Canberra, Jolly Centre. From Canberra, Jolly Centre.
In Canberra to Bateman's Bay, yes?
No, not Bateman's Bay. Batehaven.
Oh, Batehaven.
Yep, that's right, yep. And then next Tuesday morning at 7:30 AM, please.
Tomorrow at 7 a.m.?
No, not tomorrow. Next Tuesday at 7:30 AM, please. Next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday?
Yep, and then returning, please. And then returning next Thursday, please.
Yes.
Yep.
Seconds, please.
Here we go, Joy. Yeah. Can you hear me over the phone? Can you hear me over the phone now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you speak over the phone because I can't hear you, sorry.
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, yes. Yes, I can hear you, yes.
Okay, so you are leaving next Tuesday?
Next Tuesday, yep.
So the 26th?
26th of November, that's right, yep.
Yep.
And then the returning next Thursday, please.
Okay, next Thursday.
Yep. Afternoon, at what time you go from Canberra? Oh, what time you go back to Canberra, do you know?
It leaves Batehaven at 3:15 and gets to Canberra at 6 p.m.
Yep, that's fine.
Okay.
And then do you have a concession card here? I do have a kind of concession cards.
Yes, what was your concession card?
Companion cards and then a pension card.
Companion and a pension card.
Yeah, companion, yep. Can I go for that now?
Just give me 2 seconds, sorry.
You have to go try, yep. Oh, give me 2 seconds, sorry. Oh, yeah, a second. Yeah, let's give me 2 seconds, sorry. Yep, let's give me a second.